Lisa is a no frills, real deal, get your hands dirty, do the work person since I've met her and since I've heard her legend. She lives this life in a very true and sincere way. I think one thing which I take pride in is whenever I've been at national conferences or talked with food bank folks from around the country, the passion and excitement and even the envy that they have for Lisa cannot be hidden. I think we don't sometimes know the gem that we have in her connectedness, her skill set, her vision, her innovation, and her constant drive to want to deal with one of the hardest issues in our society.
One of the things that I definitely appreciate about Lisa is the fact that she's always willing to listen and to seek input from all of those around the table. And so when you look at being part of the network, whether you're Shim and you're just in the suburbs here in Allegheny County, or if you're further away in one of the other counties, Lisa is willing to come and listen and to seek your input for the decisions that they need to make, knowing that at the end of the day, she's not going to make everybody possibly happy, but she's going to do the best that she can in order to serve the most amount of people. And so as long as that's always in her heart, that's what you know that the outcome is going to be, and it's going to benefit the people of the region, the counties surrounding Allegheny County, and certainly here within Allegheny County. So Lisa, again, I cannot say enough. She's just willing to put in the time and the effort to build relationships and then to listen.
Lisa truly cares about the people that we serve. She remains focused on the needs of our neighbors and how we as an organization can help to improve their lives. And one of the ways that she does that is about sharing stories about the people that we serve. We report out a lot of numbers, and they're big numbers and they're impressive numbers, but behind those numbers are actual people. And each of them has their own story and why they come to us for food assistance. And she knows a lot of those stories and shares those with people so that they know no matter how you're involved with us, you are really making an impact. And it's more than about the numbers. It's about the people that we're serving. It's about putting meals on tables.
Lisa is probably one of the most sincere, genuine people I've ever met in life. And I think that sincerity is palpable as soon as you meet her, especially when it's on the issues of food insecurity, and I would argue even more so in some of our rural areas in this region. And she lives that life, knows who those people are, can connect with them in any way possible, and puts their needs as primary, in addition to all the stuff we're trying to get taken care of here in the urban populace of Pittsburgh and Allegheny County.
When you look at Lisa's leadership style, one of the great things that I've always admired about her is the fact that she values people, whether it's seeing her in the interaction with her staff there in the lobby of the food bank, whether it's a volunteer or coming out here to Shim. I mean, Lisa, you know there's a genuineness and an authenticity that she absolutely values the people aspect of what she's done for her entire career. Beyond that, one of the things, and this award that Lisa's being presented with, while absolutely is well deserving, Lisa will be one of the last people to suspect that she should have it. And so she always brings that sense of humbleness and gratitude for the opportunity to serve in the way that she has done for her entire career.
At the onset of the pandemic, Lisa really gave staff the space to innovate and think outside the box. She challenged us to think big and then act on it without letting the typical constraints get in the way. We sat down one Sunday afternoon, and within a matter of hours, we developed a delivery program. That's something that would typically take anywhere from 6 to 18 months to stand up. And we were able to do that in an afternoon. And that's because Lisa gave us the space to be able to do that.
Lisa is an embodiment of what good lawyers can do in the world. Very few folks know that she's a lawyer. She's an unbelievably talented person. She's committed her life to this issue and this situation. And for all the young lawyers out there, there's a lot of ways you can contribute to the world that don't have to be you being in a court like Perry Mason. And Lisa's a living embodiment of that.